Hello guys, this is tutorial number 88, and this is the first tutorial of drawing in CATIA. So this drawing uh, uh, part is generally most of is used in industry or company. So then in drawing you can identify the view. There are three types of view: front view, side view and top view. So you can represent your view on the sheet: A4 side, A3 side, A2 side, A0, A1, or whatever the size of paper. Then you can represent all the three view, as well as if you want to represent the isometric view, you can represent. So then according to your view, the manufacturer or the company, they will send the industry in the manufacturing to look at the view, and then you can go through the production. So this is the basically used in a drawing. So now I'm going to open the drawing. So in a drawing area, so there is a same way to open this. Go to start, and go to mechanical design, and you will find uh, somewhere else drawing. uh, Go to part, sorry, go to file, new. Now you can able to see here the drawing. So just click drawing, OK. Now it will ask the sheet paper side extender, which extender the company or in your organization are using. So then you can select uh, the size of paper and extend then automatically one blank Excel types sheet will come, just like this is the new drawing. So now here there is several types of extender. So ANSYS, ASME, American National Standard Institute, American Standard Mechanical Engineering, Indian Standard Organization. So I'll select ISO extender. Now here you can see the seat style or seat size: A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. So I'll select A4 size. Now here you can see the details of size of paper: format A4 ISO, paper size 210 297 mm. The units I have set in mm, so now here it is showing mm. Now the scales 1:1. Now in size you can see the seat come, orientation, landscape, and click OK. So automatically one seat, white seat will come. So on that white sheet you can put your front view, side view and top view, and then you can take a printout. So now here this is your drawing work station. So in this drawing area you can represent the view, front view, side view, top view and isometric view. So here you can able to see there is a master, there are several types of tools. So I hope you are some of the tools you are familiar with. Another like another sketch or 3D parts or assembly parts. So I think you can, this is the grid off, on, and there is a constant, it is visible, so hide, and there is a several snap point, off and on, zoom in, zoom out. So and this is the pen, and this is the fit, and this is the designing table. There is several tabs. So now I'm going to choose select the front view. So just select the front view. So automatically you need to go to the which drawing, which part you are completed or assembly part. Just minimize. Now you can able to see this is your previous part. So you can select which part your front view and which side your top view. You can select depend on through the plane of axis, x y plane or yz plane or zx plane, or else select the face. So this is the way to now I'm going to rotate, and let's choose the face. So I'll choose this. This is the my front view. So select this side, and this is my front view. Now here you can able to see uh, so now this is your seat. Now you can rotate from here, and like this. So it's depend on your which side you want. Now if you want to increase the side, shift the side, you can shift here. Now the your side is set. Now if you want to expand the size of a scale, you can, or else if you want to move your which position you want the front view. So now you can able to see here, this is the front view scale 1:1. So this is the way to use this drawing front view. In next video I will discuss with another view also. So thank you for watching this video. Please wait till next video. I will come through the another tools or command. Thank you for watching.